Hi there and welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. If it's your first time here, my name is Save with Crypto and you're very welcome. Please do make sure you are subscribed to this channel and you've got the notifications set on all because I do good stuff here. Now, massive confession here, it's not always about crypto. It's true, it's not. This is a company that I'd not heard of at all until Friday. They're called Recursion Pharmaceuticals. The website is called recursion.com, and they do lots of research with drugs and stuff like that, and a lot of stuff to do with cancer, which is quite close to my heart. I have indeed, lost some people very dear to me, including my mother and my wife. So obviously cancer is big business, isn't it? Now I became aware of this company on Friday. And the reason for that is I was doing a live stream on the Stochastic Indicator channel with a guy called WizardVault. And as well, WizardVault isn't all about alts.
Well, I've not looked at this for a while. Like, I've got a little spot bag of it. And yeah, it's because I knew it pumped up. It got to a point where, one of those where it dips below and you're sort of just a bit miserable because it's got to like a miserable place.
Right.
And then, so yeah, but we can see this one. Really nice bounce off the bottom here. So Mr. Delta, I'd be looking, see how it reacts off this level. In terms of where I'd look at it going, I think I'd just be really simple on this and just look at the liquidity wicks. I'd look there. I'd look there. I'd look there. There, and probably there. So that's probably giving you this area here, I think, is really interesting. I think where I'd potentially look at getting involved is, I'd probably get involved off here, actually.
I was going to say
this will be a really interesting one, because I think if we come out of here and this level here holds support, there's not a whole lot between that and that liquidity wick. You'd be looking at
right. So I'm
looking at a 65% move.
Okay, so I was quite interested in the levels that Wiz pointed out there. So I marked them on my chart and I bought some RXRX. Now I did this on TradingView. So what I actually did was I bought £20,000 worth of RXRX on the 18th of July. At a price of $5.8, so that was pretty good, I thought. I did sell £4,000 worth of them at $6.94 2 days ago, and I did actually buy £12,000 worth back at $6.42. Then yesterday I went a little bit mad. I bought $9,000 worth at $6.79, which was a little bit of a mistake, because that price was too high. I did sell a little bit at $6.37, and that is pretty much where I am now. So overall in my two sales, I made £661 on Monday, and I made £131 yesterday. So I've taken about £800 in profit so far, and I'm currently up £2,100. So nearly £3,000 up, which is pretty cool, isn't it? And that is literally just buying and selling. There's no leverage involved there. Now on Monday, I was on the Stonky show as well, and I had Justin on there, and I thought I'd quiz him a little bit about what he thought about RXRX as well.
It's blow support, is what I'd say.
Okay.
So once it gets above, obviously, I don't tend to look at the fundamentals, especially of crypto, because crypto is just who actually uses crypto in the real world for the most part is. So something like this, I'm sure Wiz has got some very good intel on this.
Yeah.
Gain the blue line and then doesn't need to stop, doesn't need to stop, doesn't need to stop, doesn't need to stop. So,
that would make me so happy.
This is where liquidity sits.
Bloody hell. What's that percentage-wise up?
don't start banking profits until it's there, even mentally. That is 160% up.
Well, to be honest, anything between Wizzy's level and Justin's level, I'd be very happy with. Anyway, that's one of the advantages of being a Stonksy user, because you get access to the Stonksy Discord, where you've got people like Justin, people like WizDevolt talking about this kind of stuff all the time. And I'm going to be keeping a close eye on this, obviously. I'm hoping that will make me a nice few quid. Anyway, so here we've got the RXRX chart. This is the NASDAQ chart on TradingView, and this is looking good. If I put on my indicator here, which up here shows these yellow and green lines, the yellow is a 21 EMA and the green is a 55 EMA, and I'm looking at this on the daily time frame. Okay, so I'm looking for crosses of these EMAs. Now this happened bullish here in January, okay, and then the price went up really nicely up to $12, which is twice the price it's at now. Now we did actually get a cross here around about Friday the 11th of July, and they crossed bullish there, and since then the price has gone up. So not financial advice, of course, but this kind of level here would be the first thing I'd be looking for. $12.29. I'm going to take some profit there. Interesting stuff, isn't it? And it's good to know that with the charting techniques that we learn, you can apply that to anything that has a chart, whether it be crypto, traditional stocks, Forex, whatever. So I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please put a great big fat like on the video right now. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you got the notifications turned on. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And above all, tell your friends.